Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this nice boneless sofa. Thank you guys for sending this. This actually came with two side pieces and an ottoman. We're going to get this thing unfurled and put together. Now it does come put together extremely compact, wrapped in a lot of plastic, and they are compressed. So like any of these boneless sofas here, they are compressed, which means they do take anywhere from 48 to 72 hours for them to fully be able to expand. And as you're doing that, you just need to be careful as you're cutting these things open that you're not going to cut the actual sofa itself, but you're going to go ahead and cut into these packages, and you'll see here in a second what I'm talking about, how these things kind of expand like this. And it creates a vacuum, and basically it's just going to completely expand out. Then you have to pull this plastic husk off and let it actually sit to breathe. I mean, it's already expanding out. It's already more than doubled in size, and it'll probably double again before it's all said and done. So I'm going to go ahead and get these other pieces out of here and get them all done up. You can already see the armrest of this thing already starting to pop out of here. It looks like it does come with some pillows that are going to take some time to fluff those up as well. So let me get them all completely out. We'll show you how it looks, and then we'll wait the 48 hours and give you our final take. So right out of the box, you can see it's already plumped up quite a bit. But a lot of these little pillows and these other topper pillows, they're already starting to firm up, but they're going to get a lot better. So I'm going to go ahead and get off of it, let it kind of go. These side armrests, nice and wide, they're going to plump out, and these pillows are going to fluff up. It's going to be really nice when this thing actually gets going. The material on this is really nice. This is almost like really a soft towel fabric, but it feels very comfortable, very durable, and so I'm looking forward to see how that plumps out. And we'll come back and visit you again in 48 to 72 hours. It's been a full 72 hours. I mean, this thing plumped up when you cooked it. This does have a couple of nice notable features, one being this lovely ottoman here. This is a 35 by 27 inch ottoman, nice and soft top. Again, kind of almost like a towel feel to this, very comfortable, but then it also has a very firm base. Now, all of these are washable, so you can unzip them, wash the covers, put them back on. So if you got kids, pets, in-laws, whatever, they can certainly make a mess. Then you got the ability to wash that. This does have some of the widest arms I've seen, and you do have some pockets on some of these as well for these right and left facing pieces, which is great. And they do send you with these clips. Now this is a modular sofa, so all the pieces can slide around. Not real easy because it's got that anti-slip on the bottom, but they can slide around, and it does have the ability to clip these pieces together using these provided clips to kind of keep everything tucked together. But really a comfortable sofa, liking the fact that it's got these nice pillows, pillow tops, everything's unzippable, washable, would work very versatile in pretty much any home.